Hey y'all, welcome to Angie's Ales. I'm the Brew Nut. In this episode, we're going to be talking about cleaning your equipment. Important part of keeping your equipment clean, obviously I like to do it before I brew and also after I brew, just to make sure that we didn't get any bugs or critters or anything in there. So you want to use hot water. What I use for my cleaning system is this Gasland instant hot water heater, and you'll see how I just turn this on and it starts producing about 150 degree water, perfect for cleaning. I have my plumbing all set up so it'll recirculate through my wort chiller, come out my wort chiller, into my boil kettle. From my boil kettle, it'll drain out, go into my pump. From my pump, it'll come out, it'll go through my Herm system. From my Herm system, it'll go into my mash tun, and that is where it'll all end. So in order to get a good cleaning, you're going to want to add some good cleaning agent. So I'm using, again, OxiClean Free. Go ahead and put a scoop of that in there. This on the way. And then the way I have, and I'll do another video on the water cart itself, but it just makes it easier for me to have everything all in one location. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on the water that feeds into the filter and then into the instant hot water heater. So the instant hot water heater is running, and I'm just going to adjust the flow at the flame so I get about 140 degree, 150 degree water. All right, we got about 145 degrees. Go ahead, let that circulate through. Like I said, it's going to go through the wort chiller and then down out of the wort chiller, just on the wort side. I'm not worried about the water side. That's no big deal. Out of there and into our cleaning keg, or our boil kettle. Out of the boil kettle. Now we're sitting here waiting to be primed. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my pump. Get all the air out of there. Knocks all the airs out. Now I'm going to go ahead and kick on my pump, and now I am recirculating. Close this valve, and we'll do that when we finally drain it out at the end. So we got good flow going all the way through. We're getting everything just recirculating right now, and everything will be nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a sponge and get the cleaning. There you have it, folks. Got the brewery all cleaned up. What I'll do now is I will run just hot water through everything else to make sure that I got rid of all of the OxiClean. I don't want to leave that residue inside the pots and pans when I store them or before I brew. So that'll be the last step. I'm not going to show you all that. It's going to be the same process, just without any cleaner involved. So that's it for that. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for coming around to Angie's Ales. I'm the Brew Nut, and I'm out.
Brewing that shit.